Are institutions today truly digital and future-ready, or just managing chaos across multiple apps, spreadsheets, and WhatsApp groups, or struggling to enhance productivity, grow admissions, retention, or scale sustainably? Introducing Breathe for School, a complete digital ecosystem designed to transform how institutions operate, teach, and grow. Institutions. For institutions, Breathe for School helps improve fee payments by up to 25% through timely fee reminders, online fee payment and fee shortages reporting, while improve academic engagement by 30% through attendance alerts, homework and performance alerts, and centralized communication. Administrative workload drops by nearly 60% with attendance, fee, timetable management, assessment, performance reports, and digital organization and management of academic and administrative records. Operational costs are reduced by up to 40% because one unified platform replaces disconnected LMS, ERP, content tools, and communication apps. This further reduces human errors and drives up the operational accuracy by 20%. Institute achieves 50% faster communication and engagement across stakeholders through notices, auto-alert for academic and administrative notifications, real-time parent updates, community channels, and issue-addressing platforms. Breathe for School further helps institute gain branding by up to 50% through viral broadcasting channels and providing the white labeling solution, your brand, your identity. The result? Higher admissions, stronger student retention, a more trusted, branded institution. Teachers. For teachers, time is precious. Teachers save up to 50% of their time in repetitive tasks through instant creation of homework and assessment using AI-powered question generation, question libraries and question papers, with auto-evaluation of students' submissions, automated generation of performance reports, and organized lecture summaries. The teaching effectiveness gets improved by 30% through real-time students' analytics over learning outcome and engagement tracking. Classroom features specific smart online class platforms with rich multimedia interactive contents, real-time instructions and file sharing with students, adaptive assessments, doubt solving and many more classroom tools. Teachers don't work harder, they work smarter and focus on what truly matters: effective teaching. Students. For students, learning becomes smoother and smarter. Students experience up to 40% improvement in academic performance through in-depth learning gap analytics, adaptive assessments, personalized practice and self-preparations, and many other tools like study planners. Students' self-motivation and willingness increase by 40% through rich multimedia engaging contents, and access to every lecture's summary, shared materials along with recordings for revision. Students get everything they need to learn and excel anytime. Engagement increases by 30% with smart interactive classes, collaborative tools like community platform and peer-based collaborative doubt-solving platform. Doubts are resolved 25% faster along with better problem-solving approaches, so learning never stops and students feel motivated all the time with access to everything they need anytime. Parents. For parents, transparency builds trust. Parents gain 50% better visibility into attendance, homework, fees, performance, and classroom activities. Auto alerts, auto updates and notices help them be instantly aware at the real time. Academic stress reduces significantly by 40% because everything is transparent, structured, and timely. Parents' participation increases by 20% and becomes active partners in their child's success. No more uncertainty, just clarity, connection, and confidence.
Breathe for School is not just a unified LMS and ERP platform. It is a complete growth engine for modern education. Grow admissions, improve retention, enhance efficiency, deliver measurable impact. A smarter system with stronger outcomes and better futures. Breathe for School, where education truly breathes. Transform your institution. Book your free demo today.